Here's some artisan craftsmanship trivia. Subscribe. Which artist is famous for glassblowing techniques? Is it A. Louis Comfort Tiffany, B. Pablo Picasso, C. Dale Chihuly, or Henri Matisse? The correct answer is C. Dale Chihuly. What term describes handmade leather goods? Is it A. leathercraft, B. fabric art, C. shoe design, or D. woodworking? The correct answer is A. leathercraft. What painting technique uses small dots of color? Is it A. Impressionism, B. Cubism, C. Pointillism, or D. Surrealism? The correct answer is C. Pointillism. Which fabric making process involves interlacing threads? Is it A. weaving, B. knitting, C. sewing, or D. felting? The correct answer is A. weaving. Who is known for pioneering modern furniture design? Is it A. Charles Eames, B. Marcel Breuer, C. Ludwig Mies van der Rohe, or D. Frank Lloyd Wright? The correct answer is A. Charles Eames. What artistic technique involves layering paint? Is it A. sfumato, B. glazing, C. fresco, or D. impasto? The correct answer is D. impasto. Which process involves creating fabric from fiber? Is it A. paper production, B. textile manufacturing, C. metal refining, or D. lumber processing? The correct answer is B. textile manufacturing. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.